Hey there, did you know that you can actually use mouthwash to give your toilet a fresh makeover? Stick around, and I'll show you a simple yet effective trick that not many people think about. First things first, grab any mouthwash you have at home. It doesn't matter which one, just as long as it's mouthwash. Now here's what you need to do. Pour a small amount of mouthwash into the toilet and make sure it's spread evenly. You want mouthwash everywhere in there. Let it sit for about 30 to 60 minutes before moving on to the next step. But why, you ask? Well, it turns out mouthwash not only cleans, but also leaves your toilet smelling fantastic. The ingredients work wonders by cleaning and killing bacteria in the process. After the soaking time, grab your trusty toilet brush, give everything a good scrub, and then flush. Voila, your toilet is clean and fresh again. Now, here's the ingenious trick that hardly anyone thinks about. Instead of just pouring it down the sink, if you use mouthwash in the morning or evening, why not spit it directly into your toilet? It's a 2-in-1 bonus. You freshen your breath and clean your toilet simultaneously. If you found this tip useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy tricks. Thanks for watching.